As LA County tries to reverse a troubling rise in COVID-19 cases right now, the head of the public health department says there is no need to panic, at least not yet. KCAL 9's Dave Lopez talked one-on-one today with Dr. Barbara Ferrer.
Today, Dr. Barbara Ferrer addressed the issue of the rising number of positive COVID-19 cases in the county. And she added, it's a critical time.
The numbers are high. While nobody needs to panic, everyone needs to pay attention to the fact that the numbers are high.
Because, as Dr. Barbara Ferrer explained to me, cases are up, positivity rates are up, hospitalizations up.
The issue for us is now you have 3 measures that are all trending the wrong way.
Is it scenes like this that are driving the numbers up?
We have some other indicators of other areas where there are problems. So we do know, for example, that because more people went back to work, we've actually seen an increase in the number of work sites that are reporting outbreaks.
Would the spike have been as dramatic without the protests, do you think?
I wouldn't know. I mean, I really wouldn't know because we don't, it's very hard to determine when people are in these crowded situations.
And she pointed out more than 1 million people have gone back to work as the economy reopens. So what to do about this spike?
We are going to need to let the hospitals know that they need to be prepared if we continue to see this increase in the daily numbers of people that need to be hospitalized. Can't have a situation, for example, like there was in New York City. We cannot have that here. We're not anywhere close to that, and we don't need to get close to that.
But is there a possibility, if the numbers still go up, of closing down businesses that have been reopened?
I wouldn't know right now. I mean, I think it's less likely only in the sense that we have had enormous success here with everyone doing the right thing.
That is wearing the mask, social distancing, wash your hands, business establishment, follow the rules.
The numbers won't keep going up steeply. If we all do that, we prevent some transmission.
She also says, don't do any leisure traveling. Now's not the time for that, nor this.
No parties, please, no crowds. That just doesn't make sense right now. You have to assume that every single person that you're in contact with could be infected and could transmit the infection. And you also have to assume that you, at any particular point in time, could infect others.
The doctor said she knows this is not an easy way to live, adding, but there really is no other choice. From downtown Los Angeles, Dave Lopez, KCAL 9 News.